Okay folks, this is just a test. I got the carburetor from, oh my god, look at that. Look inside here. There's a little screen inside there, and it's full of gunk. There, that looks better. Ooh, I got some all over me. See that? That looks pretty good. Pretty good if I say so myself. My dirty little fingers. This is a Marlboro carburetor, and they get dirty, you know, like the fuel that we put in them, and it's very important to always have everything clean. Your what do you call that? Not a spout, but I don't know the word. The thing that you pour the gas into. Now we're gonna undo. As long as I can find a screwdriver to undo this. Hang on. I'm gonna go see down here. There's supposed to be one in here. I put them all there. Ooh, it's a small Phillips screwdriver. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. This? No. This is it here. This is a small Phillip. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Okay. I hope you can see good. We're gonna clean this side. Oops. Big clumsy. See, these little carburetors, they're real finicky with dirt. And well, you should see me with my big fingers in here. Well, you'll get. I hope this is working out. See, this is the pump. It's a diaphragm pump, and right now, what do I need? I need here, a knife. Yeah. Oop. Oh, little. No, sir. No, I'll muff it up because I'll be buying a kit for the carburetor. Hang on. I'm going to do something. I'll bring it back. Okay, now we're in the crunch of things, you could say. The needle valve is in here, right there, and we gotta take this out. But in behind here, there's a little spring, real tiny spring, and there's a screw that holds that whole outfit in there. And that, well, needless to say, my big fingers are not quite the thing to use, but that's all I have. Okay. That's it. Can you see all this here? That's small stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna pull the needle valve out of there and more or less clean that inside there. There's not enough left in this bottle. I'm gonna go get another can. Forgive me for a second here. Gotta find my throttle body right here. Same thing. Carburetor cleaner, throttle body cleaner, same thing. Maybe the throttle body's not as but that's all I have. There. That looks pretty clean inside there. Now the kicker. is to put that all back in there. Okay, that there. A little spring here. See how easy it is? Whoa. Yes, it's real easy. I think I dropped the... Oh, there it is. Yes, it's so easy, eh? That's why I work on a little paper thing so I don't drop, but I'll still drop things, see? Okay, I won't talk too much there for a second. I'll try to get this in here. It's hard with some, and the fingers are real big. And this here, if I don't do it diligently, things are gonna go flying, and they go flying fast too, eh? They go south or sideways. Hey. Nope, not quite. I can tell. Now it's in. I gotta put this little screw back in there. I hope you could see all that. Okay. I hope it all works. Don't really like the action of that. Says do, it's binding somewhere. I'll take it off again. You'll see me take it off again. We'll try not to lose too much this time either. Arm, the spring, and the needle. It's the needle, I don't like the action. It says do, it's... Hang on. I'll That looks alright. Hey, the guys that, well, I guess maybe not meant to be worked on by guys like me, eh? I mean the build, eh? You know, like, hey, come on, get in there. Whoa, back. Whoa, back. Hey, gonna lose it. Whoa, whoa. I'm gonna take this screw off of here and take this and go get it. I hope. Nah. Oh my God. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. She's a hard cow to breed, I tell you. Yeah. It's fingers, see, a little bit not dainty enough. That's what it is, eh? And if you don't watch, everything goes flying, eh? Like everything. Okay, hang on. I'll take a 5 here and I'll come back. Okay, bring it back. I got it all together. It's nerve-wracking, especially with fingers like mine there. I guess that's why they sell new carbs. A guy with big fingers like me, instead of poking around in the carb, well, they they get it done. Okay, now I'm gonna put that back in the whipper. It's just more or less, this is kind of just to show that these things get dirty, eh? These little carburetors. There's different kinds, but more or less they're all mostly the same. They're small carbs, eh? And they necessitate a little bit of cleaning with time. And I see a WA 199 on there. That's probably, if you want a WA, is probably Walboro. It's probably if you wanted a new carb, you'd go get one. So okay, woo! I didn't show my face too much in here, eh? That's it, folks. For this one, that's so it's we're endeavoring into the weed eaters, trying to get at least 2 going. So if one fails at the camp, well, then I got another one. So I have a Husqvarna and I have a Steel. So hopefully, well, there's another thing too. I'm gonna put this with this video. It's something else. I can't tell you. I can't divulge. You have to look. So stay in there. And when it's a part that I ordered. It's supposed to come in today. So I'll be finishing this video today. So hang in there. I'll be back. Okay, folks. I said that I had some parts coming, and they did come in. One of the parts was this little bulb. See, this is the original one. I think it's the original one when this weed whipper was bought. And I looked at it and I was pumping, eh? And I said, how come it doesn't want to work? But under closer examination, hang on, maybe I can put this in there and you can see that? See that? Hang on, I'll show you there. Yeah, these things, they have to draw the gas from within the fuel tank, brings it up and then pushes it into and if it doesn't hold pressure, well, then it won't work. So this is the new one. I think they're good for 2-3 years. They should be anyways. And the whole trick behind them is you kind of have to keep that gas, you know, that famous gas, the no good stuff there. You gotta keep it away from your ooh, where did I put that little screwdriver? I don't know if I'll be able. Oh yeah, I can feel it. See, again with my big fingers, eh? Not, not for the faint of heart. But I usually manage. They're big, and they're clumsy. Well, they're not as, how would you say that? Not as dainty as what they used to be, eh? Dainty is a big word too. Okay, how am I gonna get that in there? I took it out, so I should be able to put it back in. I hope you guys can see. Eh? Oh, it's in. It's in there. I think I'm gonna have to go get it. Well, that one did the trick. See, as long as I can tight it tight, then, because if there's any air in that, well, right now there is, but it's gotta draw the gas, eh? And I'm showing this. It's not everybody to become a small engine repair type of guy. It's just that I'm just trying to show that there's no miracles to these contraptions. Hang on, I'll go get the filter. The trick is going to be when I start it up. Well, the other one worked. Now, which way does this go? Like that, I think. Yeah, there's no miracle to this. There's a man somewhere that designed this and built this, and if somebody built it, somebody can repair it. Hey, now, see that? It's empty, eh? Ah, see that? The fuel's coming in it. Once you got fuel in there, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this baby here, I didn't do it, eh? Okay, I didn't want to pull up no gas, so needless to say, I don't know which is opening. Well, I'll just open the little door here. Where is that little door? Right here. And look, okay, this is open choke, and this is choke. Okay, so we'll first start it off with choke. We'll start it off right in the truck. Is that what we're going to do? Yeah, I guess so. Hey, I'm afraid things will be boiled and choke. No choke. Nope. Woohoo. I'll give it a well, I think I'm going to have to take it out of here. I just hit my jacket there. I don't want to hit the camera. May hit the camera. It's tight quarters, you could say. Okay, where are we here? Choke, no choke. Okay. See, I choked it, I think. I don't remember. Yeah, I choked it. I think my gas is not the best. That's what I think. That's it, folks. It's probably more than that. More than I should have done. Hang on, I'll put my face in here. Ooh, probably made you sick with the noise of that, eh? Anyways, see now hang on. See now, the Husqvarna and the steel, they both work. They both go into the camp. And I have some parts. See, I ordered some gas line one to fix this baby, and then I ended up. Here to tell you the whole story. I ended up at a flea market yesterday. Whoa, yeah, I almost disappeared from you, eh? I ended up at a flea market yesterday, and there was a guy. He had a few different types, and he had the type I needed. All the other stuff comes from I think it comes from the States, and it took 2-3 weeks to get it. I got some coming in the middle of August. But now, needless to say, I'll have a good supply. And I know that I have some somewhere in here. In the storage. So when we find it all, we'll have a lot. Until then, we fixed it. That's the important thing, eh? Because, well, hey, every dollar that you save is a dollar more of parts that you can buy. Hey, that's the way I look at it. Okay, folks. Salute yous all. Don't forget, eh? We're just starting to uncover the better ones. Probably not even into the better ones yet, eh? So, salute yous all. And we'll see. Don't forget, comments are welcome. Non-generic answer. We'll see you in the next one.